right, Coach, there's not much you can say after a game like that. I mean, I felt like you guys got good looks at the basket. You had the right people taking those shots. Just nothing was going down.
Yeah, there was a lid on the basket tonight. We were bad shooting-wise, and then we didn't rebound, and then didn't really play good defense like we're capable of either. So I was disappointed. I didn't think that zone was a great zone. I just think that until we learn to pass the basketball and find the open man and knock it down, we're going to continue to have to keep going against zone. It's something we're going to work on in practice tomorrow, I guarantee you that.
Right. You kind of mentioned something on the way up here, and then combined with something you said during the game was you're playing a lot of freshmen. And you mentioned that with freshmen bodies, they're used to being done by now. So you've got to, how do you kind of get those kids to push through that and kind of try to overcome
Well,
that?
it's tough, you know, and at this time of year where teams that have a bench and can play a little bit to take pressure off there, but we were forced to play too many of our young kids tonight due to our upperclassmen not making shots, and it took its toll.
All right. Thanks, Coach.